Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Philips Air Fryer Combi 7000 series, and now I'm going to show you how to enable or how to disable clearing reminders on this device. Of course, from time to time, you need to clear your heater. It's located here. So sometimes you need to clear it, and to do that, of course, your device can remind you so that now is the time to clear your heater. So to enable these reminders or to disable it, you need to open settings. So open it, scroll down and find here clearing reminder, click OK, and here you can enable it or disable if this feature is enabled you. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.